Welcome to Lesson 9.2, Part 2, Dashboard Creation and Smart Business Configuration from SAP S/4HANA Cloud Supply Chain CS4CSC by KRTI Edu. In this lesson, we'll take a practical, step-by-step journey to build KPI tiles and dashboards in S/4HANA Cloud, moving from KPI definition to real-time visualization. SAP's smart business applications allow you to design, monitor, and visualize KPIs directly inside the system. No external BI tools required. You'll learn how to define a KPI, configure evaluations, create tiles, and assemble dashboards tailored to business roles. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to publish live analytics that drive continuous improvement. By completing this session, you'll be able to configure KPIs in S/4HANA Cloud using standard Fiori tools, associate them with drill-down reports, and publish them to dashboards. You'll also learn how to troubleshoot performance issues and apply best practices used by consultants in real SAP projects. Smart Business Configuration Flow. Every KPI journey follows 5 essential steps: define logic, create evaluations, link associations, design tiles, and assign dashboards. This flow ensures every performance metric moves seamlessly from design to delivery. Each stage is connected. Skipping one often leads to data gaps or reporting failures. Prerequisites and system roles. Before you begin, make sure the correct business roles are active. You'll need analytics specialist for KPI setup, business analyst for dashboards, and administrator for publishing. Also, confirm that scope item 1J2, real-time reporting and KPIs, is active in your CBC tenant. Without these, your KPI apps will not appear in the Fiori Launchpad. Step 1. Create KPI definition, F2725. We begin with the Manage KPIs and Reports app. Here, select a relevant CDS view like CMMIM Stock Overview. Define a meaningful KPI name, such as Blocked Stock Ratio, along with description, unit of measure, and owner. Next, specify dimensions like plant or material, and measures such as stock quantity or value. This forms the foundation of your performance indicator. Setting KPI evaluation logic. Evaluation logic determines how your KPI behaves. You'll specify aggregation type, for example, sum for stock quantities. Filters narrow your analysis. You might set plant 1010 and stock type unrestricted. Then define threshold percentages for color coding. Activating the evaluation generates real-time query metadata behind the scenes. Defining thresholds and units. Thresholds make dashboards instantly readable. Use colors that convey performance. Green for target achieved, yellow for caution, and red for underperformance. Choose appropriate units, percentages for ratios, quantities for inventory. These small design decisions greatly improve dashboard clarity and decision-making. Step 2. Manage KPI associations, F273. In this app, you link the KPI with its contextual report. For our example, connect the blocked stock ratio to the stock multiple materials, F0271 app. This means users can click the KPI tile and jump directly into the detailed stock view. Associations make analytics actionable, turning data into guided navigation. Step 3. Manage tiles, F2740. Next, use Manage Tiles to create a visual representation of your KPI. You can choose a numeric, comparison, or trend tile depending on the metric. Assign the KPI and its evaluation, set refresh intervals, and preview before publishing. Each tile is a real-time window into business performance, updating automatically. Tile customization and layout. Good design matters. Use short, clear titles like blocked stock percent. Pick layouts that best display the value. A 2x1 tile for dashboards or 1x1 for compact spaces. Add drill-down navigation to supporting reports. Consistent color themes and naming conventions make your dashboard professional and intuitive. Step 4. Assign tiles to Launchpad. Once your tile is created, assign it to a Fiori catalog and role. In Launchpad Designer, add it to the catalog Analytics KPIs and Group Inventory Manager. This ensures only authorized users see the tile. After saving, refresh the cache. The tile will now appear on the user's Launchpad instantly. Step 5. Build role-based dashboards. Dashboards are where KPIs come together for a unified view. In the Analytical Overview page, assemble multiple KPI tiles such as inventory turnover, block stock, and delivery reliability. Add filters for plant or date range to tailor visibility. Each business role gets its own dashboard, ensuring relevant insights at a glance. Configuring filters and views. Filters make KPIs dynamic and user-specific. Users can restrict dashboards by plant, material type, or supplier. Saved views or variants allow quick reuse of preferred settings. For example, a warehouse manager might save a filter to track stock health only for plant 1010 and critical materials. Minilab, create KPI tile blocked stock ratio. Let's practice this in the Minilab. Open Manage KPIs and Reports F2725 and create KPI blocked stock ratio. Use CMMIM stock overview as your data source and set thresholds: green 95%, red 80%. Link it with stock, multiple materials F021 and create a numeric tile in Manage Tiles F2740. Finally, assign it to the Inventory Manager role and validate in Fiori Launchpad. Lab validation, dashboard display. After publishing, log in as Inventory Manager. You'll see your blocked stock ratio tile displaying real-time performance. Clicking the tile drills down to material-level stock details. If data matches expected logic and colors display correctly, your configuration is successful. Best practices and governance. Adopt consistent naming conventions across KPIs. Limit unrestricted queries to prevent performance lag. Restrict access to analytics specialists to maintain data quality. Document KPI purpose, owner, and logic for governance and audits. Well-maintained KPIs build long-term trust in the analytics layer. Troubleshooting common issues. If tiles display no data, check the data source authorization and active evaluation. Missing tiles usually mean the user role is not mapped correctly. Slow performance often results from wide-range queries. Always refresh data and revalidate thresholds after changes or upgrades. You've now mastered smart business configuration, defining KPIs, creating tiles, and building dashboards that bring visibility to life. In the next part, we'll take this further through a mini-lab deep dive, performing a full configuration hands-on to solidify your understanding. KRTI Edu, learn, practice, certify, succeed.